Hello and welcome to this new course. Today, I will teach you how to do 3D simulation for microcontroller systems and electronic circuits like never before. This is educational engineering team, and here is a list of what you will learn in this course. At the beginning, we will introduce Crocodile technology, which is the software that we will use. Then we will learn why it is helpful to simulate and design in 3D. After that, we will download and install the software, and we will take a quick introduction to the user interface. Then we will start some practical work by designing and simulating on-off switch circuit, just like that one. Then we will design and simulate microcontroller systems. I will show you how to add microcontroller to your schematic and how to simulate it in 3D, and then we will introduce flowcharting in this platform. After that, we will design and simulate simple LED on-off circuit. Then we will design and simulate simple LED flasher circuit. Then we will move to designing and simulating simple 7-segment circuit. After that, we will create a counter using 7-segment circuits. At the end of this course, we will also take a look at how to simulate motors and mechanical parts. In the next lesson, we will learn what is the software that we will use in this course. But before ending this lesson, let's talk about us. We are educational engineering team, a team of skilled engineers sharing knowledge with the world. We seek to deliver high quality engineering content, including courses, articles, lessons, and online support for all of engineering students from all around the world, under the name of Educational Engineering Team. The team also work as freelancer engineers, helping many students in their graduation projects, gave many courses about engineering topics. We are also a board member of Microsoft.NET Club team at our university, Al-Azhar. We also founded Inkbal team, a team that makes workshops and courses with reduced costs to help students understand and develop their skills. We have more than 9,000 we have more than 9,000 students here with more than 22 courses and 160 reviews. These are our courses. They focus on microcontroller, electronics, and Raspberry Pi, LabVIEW, SolidWorks, and a lot of other engineering topics. We are happy to have you on board in this course. Thanks for watching this introduction. This is Educational Engineering Team.